Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. This iPhone 10 can see that pressing the power button does not turn on. We remove the fixing screws of the tail plug and open the phones to see what is the problem. Use the pick to open the screen and unscrew the cover of the motherboard cable. Remove the cover, disconnect the power cable and connect the external power supply to see if it is normal. It can be seen that the emitter has been flashing. It seems to be a problem with the motherboard. Remove the screen after disconnecting the screw cable. Then, disconnecting the remaining cable from the motherboard. Continue to unscrew the screws, searching the motherboard. Remove the motherboard. Through the multimeter measurement, it is found there is an abnormal resistance value, which is generally a problem with the resistance. Clamp the motherboard with a clamp and below of the heat dissipation sticker. On the back of the motherboard with a hot air gun. After scratching off the surface protection, we use a shot killer to shock the problem resistor. It can be seen that using a multimeter to test the resistance value is normal now. We then use an external power supply to see if it is normal. It can be seen that the voltage is very stable now. Now put the motherboard back into the phone and try to turn it on. Fasten the cable on the motherboard. Put on a brand new screen glue and then install the phone screen. Fasten the screen cable and the power cable. Install the motherboard cable cover back the tighten the cover screen. Close the screen and plug the charger to see that it is already charging and can be turned on normally. Then the repair of this iPhone 10 is over.